I've been dailying this car for about a week now, and don't get me wrong, it's great, but there's a couple problems. And one of those problems is it's too quiet. And today, we got the solution for that problem. Now, you guys probably saw the title and thumbnail of this video, but if not, we got the HPS cold air intake for this Lexus IS200t. Now, this cold air intake is supposedly supposed to make the turbo spool sound way louder and way cooler, but we're gonna find out today. Now, before we install it, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some revs just to see how the turbo sounds before, and then we're gonna give you guys some revs to see how it sounds after, as well as some drive-bys and all that. Now, keep in mind, this car is completely stock. No exhaust, no tune, no nothing. This is the first modification to the car. So we're gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and give it some revs. So outside's not too bad. When you start to brake boost it or whatever, you can hear it. Stock, these turbos aren't super quiet, but this one's gonna be a lot louder soon. So anyways, this is what it sounds like from the inside. Can't really hear it. Then we put it in drive, and then this is where you could hear it last time. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's nice. First step, before we install any of that, we're gonna go ahead and remove the stock intake. Got a few clamps, a few bolts, and then we'll see what else. Let's start off by taking this off. All right, that's gonna get in the way. You can go ahead and start taking stuff apart. So let's start with this. Slide it back. There we go. There we go. All right, now it should just all come off. We got to replace, we got to take this off. Oh my God. Are we serious right now? That's how this 5-minute job turns into 5 hours. If you didn't see, just dropped our tool into the engine bay. It's not in there. Take this off, I guess, and then we'll see what happens from there. Yeah, so you know those tools that fell in there? Yeah, I'm gonna just leave them. How bad can it really be? But yeah, I got this, and I'm unscrewing that one final bolt in there. So here there was one final little clip that we needed to get off the air filter box to completely take it off. All you needed to do was use a little screwdriver. You've got to be joking me. But then another one. Dropping the screwdriver in the engine bay. So now we lost a 10 mil. Finally. A screwdriver. Oh, let's go. In the span of. All right, so we lost 2 tools in there. Let me see if I can see them with the flash or anything. All right, we're in there. I think I got one. Let's go. Now for the other ones, we dropped those like through this hole right here. So yeah, I cannot fit in there. Can we at least see them? Maybe through here. I can't see anything. We can just leave those, I guess. All right, now to install the cold air intake. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with the rubber. This thing is supposed to go over this, and the bolt is supposed to bolt in right here, is my guess. There we go. All right. There we go. You know how much easier this would be if I had a 10 mil right now? Gotta get this in there first. Gotta put this in. Oh, I don't like how I'm leaving fingerprints. Let me get gloves. Well, didn't really have any normal gloves, so it's these for now, I guess. So since we lost the 10 mil, here I am using a wrench to tighten these clamps. At the end of the day, it still ended up working just fine. Just took maybe 10 times longer, but if it works, it works. And I learned my lesson next time. Gotta be way more careful when working in the engine. Just drop your tools in there. That's not moving. Final step, we're gonna plug it in. Boom, and we should be good to go. Let's take a step back and let's look at this. This is beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up, see if everything works, and then we'll go ahead and put the cover back on and clean this big mess up. You can already tell this thing is so much louder. I'm putting my ear next to it. Holy, it's louder. I cannot wait to hear this. While it's warming up real quickly, HPS also did provide a couple of stickers and a license plate cover. So I'm gonna go and put that license plate cover on. Also, I don't even have one yet, so it'll look kind of nice, I think. Oh yeah, that looks nice. There it is, HPS performance products. I like it. We're gonna start with the outside again. Let's see how it sounds. That sounds crazy. I hope you got that on camera. Oh my goodness. All right, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna do it again. All right, just some light revs. Can't really hear it when you're revving. I'm sure when you're driving, you'll be able to hear it, but here we go. Oh! One more time. Come on. Oh! We'll go ahead and get all this cleaned up. Put that back on in the car. Take these Mickey Mouse looking gloves off, and then we'll go ahead and get some drive-bys and some runs and whatever. All right, here we go. First drive in this thing with the new cold air intake. It's in eco mode right now. Not expecting too much. Just gonna do some light. Oh my! Did you hear that? Oh! Let's put it in sports mode. See if there's a difference. Oh! Best purchase of my life right now. That's actually wild. Oh! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe, share this with all your friends, and let me know what you guys want to see done to this car. We got a few more modifications on the way. We got some reviews on the way. We're gonna do a lot, so stay tuned and see you guys next time.